Welcome to C49 Hockey Breaks box break number 405, and today we've got a box of yesterday's brand new release 21-22 SP Game Used. I have seen 3 boxes of this stuff opened so far, and 2 of them were very nice boxes. One had a 101 tag rookie, don't remember the player. And the other one had 2 big hits, actually. A Trevor Zegras Draft Day Marks Redemption, as well as the autographed, jersey numbered 13 of 13 of some Dallas rookie. I can't remember the name, but only the jersey numbered one gets autographed. So they are numbered to the jersey number, and only the jersey number gets autographed. But yeah, there are quite a few Parayko autos in this stuff, so I will probably be opening 3 or 4 boxes of this, I would imagine. See how it goes, but 1 box here today, 21-22 SP Game Used. We've got box number 927. So let's get into it. Not usually a big fan of Game Used, but I do like products that I can chase Parayko autos in, so we'll see how the first, we'll do 2 for sure. See how the first 2 go, and then might do a 3rd or a 4th. But wait and see. Decently thick pack. I don't think it's overly thick though. So. I have heard these packs are difficult to rip open, so not this one though. You were saying in store that people are having troubles opening these packs. But that one opened very easily. Stick the blocker in there, and we do have 1 thick card, so let's start at the top. We've got an authentic rookies retro 135 of 999 Alexander Holt, and man, are these corners rounded. And look at the surface on the back there, like brutal. Hopefully this is the only card in the pack that is this poor shape. Let's go down to the bottom. Very nice. We've got a Purity 110 of 150 Cale Makar. Very nice. This card is in a little bit better shape. A little bit of white edging on the bottom edge and bottom right side. A little bit at the top up here too. And top left corner is fairly soft, but it's, I would say, in better condition than the first card. Man, I don't know, maybe I won't be opening up very much of this stuff if it's in this bad a condition. Next up, we have a banner year jersey and banner Alexander Barkov. Alexander Barkov. This card looks to be in pretty alright shape. A little bit of whiting down here, but it's progressively getting better condition. Next up, we have an authentic rookies jersey, Moritz Seider. And I have to say, looks pretty sharp. Moritz Seider, authentic rookies jersey. Definitely our best conditioned card so far. And let's go up to the top. We've got I believe these are the base, but they might be a red parallel base. 197 of 205, Clayton Keller. I know SP Game Used does have some really weird numbering on it, some of the cards, but 197 of 205, Clayton Keller. And final card, we have not got an autograph, so should be autographed. Red helmet, well, that can be good. Tyler Bertuzzi. 7 of 25 premium patch auto, 2-color patch auto, Tyler Bertuzzi. Not the Red Wing you were looking for in this stuff, but not too shabby. Pretty rough edges in bottom right corner on the back. Yeah, I don't know. I might have to send a few of these into Upper Deck and see if they'll do anything. Condition for this stuff, not looking too good, at least from this box. I will do at least one more of these. If the condition isn't much better, I might just do 2, even though I did say I'll probably do 3 or 4. But yeah, it's a little bit rough on the condition. But that's going to do it here today. We'll do a quick recap. Holtz, Makar, Barkov, Seider, Keller, and premium 2-color patch auto, 7 of 25, Tyler Bertuzzi. Well, folks, that's going to do it here today. Box break number 405. If you did enjoy, feel free to leave a like, comment below. Let me know what you guys think of SP Game Used. I do like the looks of the cards. I like the purple background on that, looks sharp. The purities are nice, and the authentic rookie design looks good. I like the design of the card, but yeah, the condition does not look to be too good on Upper Deck's behalf. If there are a lot more boxes in that kind of shape, I feel like they're going to be dealing with a lot of replacement requests. I mean, I'm not usually one to overly complain on condition, but yeah, a couple of those were pretty rough. But yeah, like, comment, and if you have not yet hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so. We got plenty more box breaks, Mystery Pack Mondays, 6-pack Saturdays, and continuing on with trying to upload here for every day remaining in December. So plenty of great content to look forward to, folks, and thanks again for tuning in. Box break number 405, 21, 22, SP Game Used.